Hey traders, it's 44 minutes past 2 p.m. here in Brisbane on Monday, the 27th of November, and I am going to update my offense line with EU stock 50. So let's take a look at where I was looking at with my original fight card. So back when I did my fight card around the 6th of November, we were sitting around here and we had that candle printed. That was the Friday candle. And I was looking for a pullback reaction to this level. And I was looking for the pullback to come down to the breakout level. So around my green line, around the 40.80 area. As it happens, the pullback was quite shallow and then we pushed strongly higher. I still really like this opponent. If we'll take a look here on the monthly chart, I love the fact that we printed a higher low. So if we'll get precise, the low on this area, so the low on this monthly candle was 88.8, and the previous rejection candle that we had right before that, that low was 76.8. So ever so slightly, but still a higher low. So we are still in an uptrend. I also like the fact that from this push, we had a push and a second push that went to a higher high and broke this previous ultimate high. So there's a lot of buyer momentum in this area. And I like the fact that they were able to stop the sellers before they broke that low. And as you can see so far for the month of November, not many days left for this month, you can see strong bullish candles. So a lot of buyers momentum. Take a look here on the weekly chart and we can see that strong push that even cleared this previous area. So there was a lot of indecision, down, up, rejection of the top, rejection of the bottom before we broke lower and pushed toward that low. What I like about this is that from a lower low, we had such a strong push that we were able to go all the way above this area. So quite a strong buyer's momentum. So what I'm looking to do in this one, I'm no longer looking obviously for this area for my offense. This is very lower down. So I'm going to push my offense and I'm looking for, again, nice area for the market to pull back into. And I like this level. So around the 42.35 area, we can see this was a level in the past, a couple of touches at that area. I like the fact that this is the origin of the move that pushed here to a lower low on the daily chart. This is the start of that turn around here. So that touches the original offense area that I was looking at. And then there was another touch at that level, reacted to it. Another touch, reacted to it. Consolidated underneath, broke higher, and continued to a higher high. So my offense line now is going to be around these 42.35. And what I'm looking for is again a pullback in and around this level, any signs that the buyers are ready to take over, and then a continuation of this move. So I'm also going to move my point swing and my knockout, obviously, because they were sitting just underneath this level. So for the point swing, I'm going to look at this area. Once again, a couple of touches, this high and this touch over here. So I want to have my point swing below this level. So in and around the 43.10 area. So this blue line over here. And for the knockout, I'm going to go for this previous high. So in and around the 43.80 level. We can see if and when we'll pull back from here, that means that we're already reacting to that area. So I want to be out before we come into that area again. So the more we move, the higher we get within this wave, the higher the likelihood is that we are getting into strong sellers territory. So I want to be out before I'm getting into that area. So to summarize, let's go back into the daily. I am moving my offense line. I still like this opponent and I'm still looking for a fight, but I need to alter my fight plan. So my offense line is now going to be around the 42 35 area. My point swing is just shy of this previous swing high, around the 42, 10, 15 area. And the knockout just shy of that 43.80 area and potentially this previous touch. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.